You're welcome to my channel. This is Inside Real Estate and I remain your host, Lekon. When we say approval, what are we referring to? We are simply referring to the fact that you have or you go through the process of ensuring that you obtain your building permit. What is this building permit? The building permit is simply the authorization you receive from the appropriate quarters, certifying you to carry on with your development. And your development must maintain standards. It must ensure that it's not a threat to human life. It must adhere to all building regulations and code, and it must make sure that it is fit for use. That is pretty much what the permit is. It's just a document that gives you authority to proceed with work on site. Now, I know that somebody will say, but me, I don't have that, or I didn't do this. I know. See, and that is the reason why many people go through demolition challenges or threats, because what you are supposed to do, you did not do it. And it's very important and imperative that you get proper approvals for everything you are doing within Lagos State. Now, there is a step and a process to getting the building permit. Number one, you submit your survey plan with your title documents, all right? You give them the copies, all right? After you've done that, then you submit your architectural drawings, your structural drawings, your mechanical and engineering drawings. That's what we're referring to. Okay, you submit those as well. Then once you've done that, you submit your application and pay the necessary fees, all right, the charges or the fees that have been required of you to pay for that approval. Once that is done, the inspector will come to inspect the site. All right, they will have an inspection, and if it passes the field inspection and every other condition has been met, you will get your approval. You'll be issued your permit. And once you have been given your permit, a final inspection will happen on your site. In fact, regular and periodic inspections will begin to follow after them. And obviously, the moment you receive your permit, you can go ahead and proceed with site work. Okay? So understand that you need building approval, whether you are constructing a building, whether you are modifying something, or you are renovating. Most people only think it's restricted to just construction when you are just building something from scratch. But we fail to realize that it also includes renovation and even remodeling. Now, I've seen people whose property was marked or was even demolished halfway because what they gained approval for is not what the inspector now saw on site. They might have gotten approval for one floor, but the landlord went to make it 3 floors and he doesn't have approval for the other 2 floors. And so when the government comes, they will remove the 2 floors and leave exactly what you have been approved to have. It is essential to obtain approval from the government or from the relevant authority so that your work is not disturbed in any way or distressed in any way. I have given you information, I've given you nuggets. The rest are up to you to decide what to do and what not to do. Now, if you like the content you've heard and this has really given you insight and given you value, kindly subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and like it as well. Thank you for now and goodbye.